Hi, good day, sir. I am going to discuss the activity you've given to us last week, which is the volume of revolution using the method of washer and desk. So, you were given us 6 numbers, but we are going to pick 3 only to discuss, and the number I was able to pick are number 1, 2, and 6, which was number 1, y is equals to negative x squared plus 1, y is equals 0, and number 2 is equals to y is equals to x plus 2, y is equals x squared plus 2, and for number 6 is x is equals square root of y plus 3, and x is equals 1 over 2 plus 3 with the access of x is equals 1. So number 1, y is equals negative x squared plus 1, and y is equals 0. We know that the formula for the volume of revolution is equals to volume is equals integrate pi x squared times d of x. So we're gonna put integrate pi x minus x squared plus 1 squared d of x integrate between 1 and negative 1. So the next step, we're going to put pi outside of the integration symbol. So pi integrate x to the 4 minus 2x squared plus 1 d of x between 1 and negative 1. And next, we are going to integrate the solution. So pi integrate x to the 4th minus 2x squared plus 1 d of x between 1 and negative 1. So next, pi integrate x to the 5th over 5 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus x between 1 and negative 1. So next is we're going to put the integration symbol at the end and also the pi so we can solve easily the solution. So next, we are going to substitute our 1 and negative 1 in our variables. So 1 to the power of 5 over 5 minus 2 times 1 to the power of 3 over 3 plus 1 times pi. So 1 over 5th is equals 2 over 3 plus 1 times pi. And now we're going to simplify it by changing the denominator to 15. So 3 over 15 minus 10 over 15 plus 15 over 15 times pi. So we've got 8 over 15 pi. And now, next, we are going to substitute negative 1 in our variable x. So we've got negative 1 to the 5th over 5 minus 2 times negative 1 to the power of 3 over 3 minus 1 times pi. And next, we have negative 1 to the power of 5 and over 5 minus 2 times negative 1 to the power of 3 over 3 minus 1 times pi. And now we got negative 3 over 15 plus 2 over 3 minus 15 over 15 times pi. So in the end, we've got negative 15 over 3. And lastly, for our last step, we're going to subtract both of our answers. So we've got 8 over 15 pi minus negative 8 over 15 pi. So we've got 16 over 15 pi cubic units. And for number 2, we've got y is equals 2x plus 2 and y is equals x squared plus 2. So you know that the formula of volume of revolution is v is equals to integrate pi times x squared d of x. So we're gonna put v is equals to integrate pi to x plus 2 squared minus x squared plus 2 squared d of x between 2 and 0. So next, we're gonna put pi outside of the integrate symbol. So we've got pi integrate 4x squared plus 8 of x plus 4 minus 4x to the 4th plus 4x squared plus 4d of x. And next, we're going to simplify first our solution. So pi integrate 4x squared plus 8x plus 4 minus x squared minus 4x squared minus 4 d of x. And now, the final answer is pi integrate negative x squared plus 8x d of x, and to integrate our solution, we've got negative x to the 6th over 5 plus 4x squared pi, and we're gonna put our integrate symbol at the last part between 2 and 0. So we're going to substitute now our variable x with 2, negative 2 to the power of 5 over 5 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 2 times pi. So we've got negative 32 over 5 plus 4 times 2 to the power of 2 times pi is equals to negative 32 over 5 plus 16 pi. And next, we're negative 32 over 5 plus 80 over 5 pi. And now, our final answer for this item is 48 over pi cubic units. And for our last item, number 6, we've got x is equals to square root of y plus 3. And x is equals to 1 over 2 plus 3 with the access of x is equals to 1. So first, we're going to equate our access into our two given equations. So x plus 1 is equals to square root of y plus 3 is equals to square root of y plus 2. And next, x plus 1 is equals to y over 2 plus 3. And our answer is y over 2 plus 2. So now we're going to use the equation, the formula for volume of revolution, which is volume is equals to integrate pi times x squared d of x. So now we're going to put our two variable equation. V is equals to integrate pi, open parenthesis, square root of y plus 2, close parenthesis, to the power of 2 minus y over 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 d of y. And now we're going to put our pi outside. So we got pi integrate y plus 4 square root of y plus 4 minus 4 plus y squared over 4 d of y between 4 and 0. And next, we're going to simplify our equation. So pi integrate y plus 4 square root of y plus 4 minus 16 plus 8y plus y squared over 4 d of y between 4 and 0. So lastly, we're going to integrate our equation. So we've got negative 1 half x cubed minus 1 half x squared plus 8 over 3 x to the power of 3 over half d of y. And now we're going to substitute our 4 with our variable x. So we've got negative 1 over 12, 4 times 4 to the power of 3 minus 1 half times 4 to the power of 2 plus 8 over 3 times 4 to the power of 3 hands times pi. So in the end, we've got 8 pi cubic unit as our answer. So I think I've discussed all of the given 3 numbers that I've choose. So thank you for watching, and I hope you've learned. God bless.